Genre: fantasy. Essential question: what can stories teach you? Duck's Discovery by May Kennedy. Illustrated by Chapter 1. Curious Duck. Duck lived on a farm with Farmer Finn. The farm was very, very big. Duck liked to learn about the world. She liked to see new things. She liked to learn new things. Picture labels: farm, cow, pig. Duck was curious. She wanted to know why the sky was blue, and she wanted to know why stars twinkled at night. She thought life was a journey of discovery. She liked to fly around and learn about the world. Picture labels: cat, book, duck. Farmer Finn was different from Duck. Farmer Finn was not curious. Farmer Finn was a kind person. He took good care of the animals. He talked to them. Sometimes he sang to them. Picture labels: goat, sheep. Farmer Finn. Farmer Finn made a big effort to grow good crops. Usually his plants died. He grew lots of lettuces last year. They all went limp and died. Picture labels: limp, lettuce. Stop and check. How is Duck different from Farmer Finn? Chapter 2. Learning to Grow. One spring morning, Farmer Finn decided to concentrate on a new crop. He looked at a cookbook. The cookbook inspired him to grow a new crop. He said to Duck, "I love eating rice. I will grow rice." Duck was worried. She told Farmer Finn about one of her journeys. Picture label: cookbook. Duck said, "Last summer, I flew over Farmer Mac's farm. Farmer Mac was standing in the middle of a field. He tried to grow rice. He had to guess what to do. He was not educated about growing rice." Picture labels: field, rice plant. Farmer Finn listened carefully. "Did Farmer Mac make a good guess?" he asked. Duck replied, "No, he didn't. It is hot and dry in the summers. Rice grows in warm, wet weather. Farmer Mac's fields were dry. The plants died." "What did Farmer Mac do?" Farmer Finn asked. Duck answered, "He had to sell his farm." Now Farmer Finn was worried. He didn't want to sell his farm. Luckily, Duck's story gave him an idea. Stop and check. What did Farmer Finn learn about growing rice? Chapter 3. A Journey of Discovery. Farmer Finn asked Duck, "Would you like to go on another journey?" Duck replied, "Yes. What do you want me to do?" Farmer Finn said, "I want you to fly over all the other farms. I want you to find out which crops grow well." Duck liked the idea very much. She left that morning. She flapped her wings and waved goodbye to Farmer Finn. Farmer Finn shouted, "Good luck, Duck!" Soon Duck saw crops that grew well in the other farms. She could see rows and rows of corn plants for miles and miles. Picture labels: row, wing, corn. Duck saw a field of rice plants. The rice plants were dying. A farmer was staring at the dying plants. Duck realized that the farmer hadn't learned from other farmers' mistakes. Duck said to herself, "I need to tell Farmer Finn what I have seen. What a great journey of discovery! Picture label: Dying plants. Farmer Finn waited for Duck to return. Soon he heard a loud quack from the sky. Duck dived down. Farmer Finn eagerly asked Duck, "What crop should we plant?" Duck said, "There is only one crop to grow. Corn is king in these parts." Picture label: Dive. Farmer Finn smiled. He loved corn. He said, "Let's start planting." So Farmer Finn dug row after row. His back ached. Duck used her beak to plant the corn seeds. Picture label: Beak. In the fall, the farm animals watched the harvest. The corn was good and healthy. Farmer Finn felt very satisfied. His farming skills had improved. He shared the corn with the animals. Duck didn't want any corn. She wanted to go on another journey of discovery. She wanted to know what to plant for winter.
Text evidence. 1. How do you know that Duck's discovery is a fantasy? 2. Reread page 4. Describe Farmer Finn's character. 3. What is the synonym of flapped on page 11? What word or phrase helps you figure out what flapped means? 4. Write about why Duck likes to go on a journey.
Genre: Fable. Compare texts. Read a fable that tells us a story and teaches us a lesson, too. One day, a sly old fox stopped outside the lion's den. Fox said, "I hear that you are sick, Lion." Lion said, "I can't hear you, Fox. Come closer." Picture label: Den. Footprint. Fox was clever. He saw animal footprints going into the den. He didn't see footprints come out of the den. Fox said, "Good try, but I am a trickster. I know a trick when I see one." The moral of the story is to learn from the mistakes of others.